Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mandy and I'm a full-time reseller. On today's video, I do have a ThredUp shoebox. I don't remember how much I paid for it. I will put it here. This one was the men's, I think it's 5, what do we got in here? 1? Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's 5 pairs men's shoes. I've gotten this one in the past. It wasn't bad. It's normally a lot of tennis shoes. That's kind of what I'm seeing in here. I don't know a lot about tennis shoes, so I'm gonna have to do some looking. But the first pair, this is a pair of Calvin Klein, looks like 11.5, just some patent leather dress shoes. A little bit of wear. I mean, these could have been worn for like a wedding, prom, something like that. Since this is a recognizable brand and a decent size, I probably will list them like around 25, hope to get at least 20, just because people are always looking for like cheap, good quality dress shoes. Men aren't wearing them all the time, and you only normally need them for like one occasion. So I'm going to list these. These are a pair of, oh, I got 2 different ones. Let's see. Okay, so these are Nikes. I have no idea what that says. Maybe Air 270 on the tag. They are a size 9.5. They're from 2024. I can look up this style code. I mean, there's some wear on them, but it appears that these little air bubbles are still intact. So that's good. Bottoms look okay. They just need to be cleaned up a little bit. Did I say the size? Yeah, 9.5. Pretty lightweight. Tread looks okay. So not knowing anything about these, I would guess around 30. Okay, here's the other pair that looked a lot like those Nikes. These are Reeboks. They are also a 9.5. I don't see a year on them. These are also very lightweight. I don't know a lot about Reebok. Like I said, sneakers, I just don't know. The treads are really good. I would assume Reebok is not as expensive as like Adidas and Nike, but I could be surprised. These just need a little bit of cleanup here. The insoles look really nice. I don't know that these were really worn much. So maybe around 30. These are a pair of Adidas. They're 11.5. They say cloud foam. And they're from 622. There is a style code, so I can look these up. These are very clean for being white. The bottoms look really good. I mean, there's like, I don't think any dirt on these. Yeah, so hopefully these I can list that they're in excellent condition, almost new without tags. I probably won't put that just in case, but these are really nice. Once again, 40, 50, I'm not sure. This is a brand I do not know. Flag Ltd. Napa glove. They're like a pair of like riding shoes, riding loafers. What are they called? I think they're riding loafers. They appear to be suede. These are size 12. They are leather. I don't know. There's some wear to the bottom. Not too bad. These definitely go with the vibe of like country club, preppy, boating, sailing. So even if they aren't worth a lot of money, I am seeing a little flaw here, but maybe some keywords could up the amount I could get for these. Okay, so the next pair are a pair of Born shoes. They are leather, I believe a size 10. I think these are women's because it says 10/42, and camera's kind of falling here. I think that is the equivalent for women's sizing, and these just don't really look like men's to me. It's strange because the bottom looks really clean. I'm gonna have to look up a stock photo, but the suede looks like really rough. I mean, that could be how it's supposed to look. I'm not sure, but I'm pretty sure these are women's. And then the last pair is from No Bull. I feel like this is a decent brand. Let's see what the size is. They're either a men's 7 or a women's 8.5. I will probably do the women's because I don't know how many men are looking for a size 7 shoe. These look to be in really good condition. Once again, the bottoms are really, really nice. There's no heel drag. I'm not seeing any flaws to them. They have this weird like bubbled texture. So I will have to look up this style. Hopefully these are really nice and can pay for the majority of the box. So here's my receipt. It looks like I paid $64. It's like $10 for shipping and then tax. So let's just say we're at like 74, like 78, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It was 7 pairs, not 5. I don't think that there's anything in here that I can't list. Those Born shoes, like I said, I need to look into them. It just seems strange that the top would be really worn and not the bottom. So hopefully that's what they're supposed to look like. I'm pleasantly happy with this box. Like I said, I don't know anything about the sneakers. They could be something really good, but I think that this was a pretty decent box. So let me know if you guys had a favorite in the comments below. And as always, if you guys enjoyed today's video, please make sure to give it a like. It really helps out the channel and I really appreciate it. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.